Perry, lovely to meet you.
Hi Adrian, lovely to meet you too. Welcome to the Savoy.
What a fabulous looking home.
Thanks Adrian.
Tell me the inspiration that got you to this.
We felt inspired to create a house that had a Hollywood glam feel. So it's got mid-century properties and it feels like a hotel as you come in.
And it's got this amazing entrance, the stone.
On the front facade here, we used a lot of extruding brickwork from that mid-century era.
The butterfly roof.
Yeah, it was definitely a hard one to build, but it gives you that really retro mid-century feel.
I'm absolutely loving this. Take me inside, I want to see that Hollywood glam. Let's go.
Come on, let's go. I'm the owner of House of Pez and the design director at Beith Building and Developments and Total Concept Pools. We do interior design, we do furnishings, styling, just helping people with renovations, and we build swimming pools. The brief for this house was to feel like a hotel when you're here. There's a level of sophistication and luxury finishes, but also lots of playfulness in the colours and the textures. My husband and I designed this house for ourselves and we are so stoked. We're just really enjoying it. Welcome to our kitchen, dining and main living area.
Oh, it's just stunning. And a big outdoor living area as well.
Yeah, definitely. You've got that indoor, outdoor living. You've got to have that when you're in Queensland.
Tell me all the inspirations that you had, because I can see there's many.
Yeah, definitely. We wanted it to feel sophisticated but still playful, incorporating all the richness of the red and the greens, the velvets, to bring that mid-century Hollywood vibe to life. Let's go to the downstairs master.
Awesome, let's do it. Oh, how beautiful is this?
Yeah, it was definitely a bold choice going with this bright red cherry pink colour, but we love it. It really is a really rich room.
The ensuite, that is something else as well, and you've carried through this burgundy tone.
As soon as I saw those tiles, I knew I had to have them. Using the contrasting colours of the green and then the pink, it just creates such a beautiful space.
I love how this bedroom is positioned to take in the view of the pool.
Let's go have a look.
Wow, this is some al fresco. How beautiful is this?
So we really wanted this space to be very private, the beautiful pool area, and of course our checkered tiles. As you walk around the whole house, your eye draws to them.
Thank you so much for having me. This has been fabulous.
Thank you so much, Adrian.
Cheers.
I think what makes this a dream home is the uniqueness that it has. It's got a very lived-in, vintage Hollywood feel, and I think there's just not many places around like that.
Perry and Eddie have done a wonderful job on the Savoy. This home has all the Hollywood glamour. The depth of interior design that she does with House of Pez is just beautiful. I'm just going to sit back and enjoy it. It's a great job.